This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Joyce is probably around the same time.
That's really bad.
We should. First side is just.
How high is your blood pressure?
At one point it was 230 over 135.
Wow, 230. That's high, huh?
Yeah.
I've never.
It was during a stress test.
I've never heard it that high.
And then the funny thing is, if I start taking medication for it, it goes too low.
Oh, then it goes too low.
Yep. Hi, Lori. Just relaxing today. Let the weekend off. So it was every other.
Well, let's check. It might not be that.
Some of these are guinea rigged.
What is it?
The plumbing is guinea rigged and they're coming across the wall.
Is it?
Hot, yeah. You didn't put it together properly.
Definitely cholesterol in there. That could be it right there. Let me show you what's in there.
Wow, yeah.
I mean, it blocks it.
Yeah. By itself.
Let's hold. Sometimes that gets inside the faucets too.
Right, and then breaks the faucet down. Well,
Yeah,
that
it blocks
faucet's
it.
it's probably due. It's, I'd say, definitely over 10 years old.
We'll put this on and we'll see what kind of flow we get out of it.
All right.
If we're getting a good flow out of this, then we know that it's not the shut-off, right?
Okay, yep.
Sometimes the washer lets go in the shut-off. You're getting good flow there, see it?
Yeah.
All right, so we'll put a new supply in there and we'll try it.
So that's what the junky one or not junky one?
No, that's a born out of my truck.
Oh, okay. I
So,
thought that was what the corroded one. I was going to say.
No, I'm
what
gonna-
does that mean? All right. So that looks like the issue, right?
Well, with that particular one, it is.
Yes.
Let's change that.
You think the faucet looks in good shape that I shouldn't replace the faucet?
Oh, I don't know yet until I put water to it and see what we're getting. We might not get flow through it, but I know I'm getting a decent flow here.
Okay.
So let's put this in.
Yeah, you look familiar to me,
Really?
especially when you start talking. What year did you graduate?
Oh,
Did you go to New Bedford High?
83, I think.
Yeah, I graduated in '84.
I went to Westport.
Oh.
Yeah. So let me get another supply for that and we'll try it.
Hopefully it's gonna work out and then I'll work out. And then my machine, I gotta get in the back of the back.
16-inch, 12 was too short.
Some days, I feel okay. Other days, I'm ready.
See what we're getting for pressure now. We should be decent.
always was in them.
You passed me
Take
up
the
to
full
another
control
dog.
out of there and see what it does.
Well, hold on, Marie, what did you expect? Why you had that done?
Yeah, because it was like, I got sick that time with pneumonia. And it was like this thing.
Oh, but that's because they didn't hear.
Yeah. It happened to them, but they didn't. They made me home.
Right away into that. I
know.
haven't done it yet.
I know.
The vertical right there is probably the problem.
No, the doctor's office is faxing it to them, and then the doctor's office said that it's going to take a week. Also, send it up.
Try taking that out and see what happens. Might be a little better.
I don't know. You said,
It's not bad. Better than it was, I'll tell you that's for sure. Well, I took the diverter out of it, and you'll still get, how's that for cold? I mean, that's not bad.
Well, the cold was never really, it was
And that's the
hot.
Well, I can put a different, I took the flow control out of that. I can put a different aerator in there to give you better. So you're still gonna get spray, but it's gonna come out of here at the same time. That's the best I could do without, you know, I had to take the diverter out. The diverter's kind of like all crusty too.
You don't think
It slows it down a lot.
You don't think I need a new faucet?
Well, if you want to get by with what you got, I mean, it's decent. I mean,
Yeah.
it's...
I just don't want to be calling you in another 6 months to come and do a faucet. If you don't think that that'll be the case, then we'll do that. You don't know though, right? You're gonna tell me if it'll last another 6 months.
I couldn't tell you how long it's gonna last. Let me put a new aerator on there and see what the flow comes out like. It'll probably be a lot better.
Yeah, because aerators collect junk too, right?
Yeah, I'll put a good one on there and see. You'll probably be happy with the flow. I mean, be decent. That's
So
good.
The hottest was the problem.
Well, no, it's gonna be okay now.
Same?
See?
Yeah.
So that makes a big difference with the aerator.
Alright.
The only thing with that diverter out, this will still work,
Put the water.
but you'll still get some that comes out of there, which is not a big deal. I would leave it out. You get more flow without it.
Alright.
Now, the problem is you're really high up here in the city.
Yeah.
So you're not going to have a lot of water pressure. If you were way down the south end by the water,
Yeah.
because they pump the water up to the tower.
Yeah, this is called Highland. It's high.
Okay? They
Yeah.
pump the water up to the tower.
Yeah.
So if you're on the highland, you don't have a lot of vertical push
I got
on
you.
the water.
Yeah.
So that's why the pressure's low here.
Alright. Well,
You know?
you've seen how I've been using it trickling like that, but it got up worse. That's like 4 times of what I was getting, so I'll be happy.
You happy with that? Yeah. No, you know, and I'm not going to sell you a faucet if you don't need
Alright.
one. So that's the kind of the way I am.
Thank you. Probably gonna be the same for the others because
Well,
they're
hopefully.
newer faucets.
hopefully that's just that.
Yeah. They should all.
So one supply was definitely an issue.
Yeah. And you put 2 new ones.
I put one new one.
1 new one.
I only needed one.
All right. What do you need? I'll clean that up.
Just gotta wipe the water. I'll sell you 2 if you want, but you only need one.
All right. Whatever I need, I've got those up the yin yang right now. More than what I like. Pour out. It needs to be the
That's all she needed was that one.
Your dog's barking.
Oh, she's all right.